Are you ready to take charge of your health and detoxify your liver naturally? Your liver plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, acting as a powerhouse for detoxification and metabolic processes. But how do you know if your liver needs a cleanse? Look out for signs like fatigue, digestive issues, and skin problems, which could indicate a burdened or congested liver. So, what are some effective ways to detox your liver and promote better health? Let's dive into some practical tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First and foremost, hydration is key. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your liver function. Starting your morning with warm lemon water can also help kickstart your detox journey. When it comes to dietary adjustments, focus on incorporating more leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables into your meals. These foods are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can support liver health. On the flip side, try to limit processed foods, sugars, and alcohol, which can put a strain on your liver. Herbal support can also be beneficial for liver detox. Consider adding liver-supporting herbs like milk thistle or dandelion root to your routine. Regular exercise is another powerful tool for detoxification, as physical activity helps to stimulate blood flow and lymphatic drainage. Stress management is equally important for liver health. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your liver, so finding ways to manage stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can be beneficial. In conclusion, taking care of your liver is essential for your overall health and well-being. By implementing these simple yet powerful tips, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes and promote a healthier you. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine and take the first step towards a healthier liver today. Remember, your health is in your hands. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And don't hesitate to leave your comments and questions for further discussion. Together we can empower ourselves to live our best, healthiest lives. Happy detoxing!